Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of September, 2025, our system has categorized Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.34. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, registering a gain of 3.10%. This results in an average return of 1.03% per day since it was marked as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower part of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor at $152.17 be breached, it will firstly indicate a slower rate of ascent, but it may also serve as an early warning of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 31.16% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging between 28.09% and 66.74%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -0.0061%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -49.81% to 18.35% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $78.20 and $184.41. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: Advanced Micro Devices stock price up 2.91% on Tuesday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 2.91% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025. Rising from $151.41 to $155.82. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.61%, with a low of $151.93 and a high of $155.90. The price has shown variability during this period, resulting in a 4.62% loss over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, as a total of 617,000 more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.54 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $186.65, while the lowest price was $76.48. Currently, the price is 16.52%, or $30.83 below the 52-week high, and 31.45%, or $71.48, below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. AMD's recent pullback has created a division in the market. Some analysts view this as an overreaction and see it as an opportunity for a high-conviction entry point, while others have reduced their target prices following Broadcom's significant custom chip victory. The near-term pressure is tangible. Competitive successes by rivals, adjustments in inventory, and export restrictions to China are impacting sentiment and could lead to stock volatility in the upcoming weeks. Simultaneously, tangible advancements in products and ecosystems are being realized. Momentum in ROCm software, the ramp-up of the MI350 and MI355X GPUs, cloud availability, the introduction of new rack scale and connectivity products, the acquisition of ZT Systems, and a growing partnership with IBM that encompasses quantum and high-performance computing. These initiatives strengthen relationships with hyperscalers and enhance cost and latency advantages, particularly for inference workloads. In the short term, anticipate fluctuations driven by headlines and downward risks from analyst revisions and macroeconomic volatility. However, looking to the long term, effective execution on accelerators, increased software adoption, and gains in data center CPU market share could lead to a reevaluation of growth expectations and support a higher valuation. This is contingent upon AMD successfully translating product momentum into sustained revenue and margin growth. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, it was reported that Seaport Global assigned AMD a neutral rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 12th of August, 2025, Citigroup rated AMD as a buy with an upgrade action. On Saturday, the 9th of August, 2025, Wedbush designated AMD with a cautious rating and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, Deutsche Bank rated AMD as a buy with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a hold rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as buy. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative indicators have also emerged, potentially impacting short-term developments. The stock of Advanced Micro Devices currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average sits above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $158.18 and $168.07. A breakout above either of these points will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, August 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 15.51%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, observed 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 2 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, identified 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, also recorded 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal, recognized 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 84 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 73 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices finds support from accumulated volume at $155.61. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a robust trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $3.97 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.61%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.96%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of the year 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.17. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can greatly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, The first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is at $163.12. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices faces its first support level at $155.61. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the second day of September in the year 2025, Han Ava executed an insider sale of 143 shares of common stock. On the 21st day of August in the year 2025, Su Lisa T made an insider purchase of 224,727 shares of common stock. On the same day, Su Lisa T also conducted an insider sale of 19,620 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Su Lisa T sold 138,093 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on the 21st of August, Su Lisa T completed another insider sale of 65,787 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 8.252. In total, insiders purchased 1,212,670 shares and sold 1,025,547 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Currently, the Advanced Micro Devices stock exhibits several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the stock will underperform in the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of its potential. After evaluating the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 10th of September, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open lower, with a decrease of $1.27, starting trading at $154.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.